Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add photo on Mico. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your Mico application. Tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile photo. Tap on camera icon on the top right corner. Tap on plus icon in order to add photo. Select any photo that you want to upload. Adjust the photo. Tap on the right icon on the bottom. And finally tap on the right icon on the top right corner. And that is how you can easily add photo on Mico. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.